Hey guys, how you doing? So we are right in the middle of a 4-part series on America's favorite sauces. Now we did Alabama barbecue white sauce last week and that was real good. Today we're doing yum yum sauce, which is the sauce they give you out of a squirt bottle in the Japanese steakhouses. It's amazing how little ingredients are in a good sauce, and they're always kind of based on mayonnaise, we're finding out, okay? So come on in close and I'll show you how to make this. All right, here's a rundown of the ingredients that you'll need to make this. You need a little bit of water, you need butter, you need sugar, garlic powder, mayonnaise, ketchup, and paprika. And that's it. Okay, so the great thing about sauce recipes is you literally just dump in all your ingredients and then whisk it up. So I'm gonna do that right now. Carefully, I'm gonna open this ketchup. I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of ketchup. Okay, so the great thing about sauce recipes is you literally just dump in all your ingredients and then whisk it up. So I'm gonna do that right now. Carefully, I'm gonna open this ketchup. I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of ketchup. Put in paprika, a little dash of sugar, garlic powder, your melted butter, and your water. And let's start whisking so we don't splash on it. Every time I'm at a Japanese steakhouse, they're ordering more. They're like, can we have extra yum yum sauce on ours? So let me go get a container. Just like we did with the Alabama white barbecue sauce, you gotta let it chill. Minimum 8 hours, but preferably overnight. That gives it its best and thickest consistency. So we're gonna pop this in the refrigerator, and we will try this tomorrow morning. Are you ready? It is time. This is the RIPOFF recipe for yum yum sauce that you eat over at the Japanese steakhouse. All ready? All right. Did you clean your palate clean?
Why would my palate be clean? We're just trying this.
Oh, that's right. Go ahead.
That's it.
Really?
That's good.
Oh my goodness. This is the second RIPOFF recipe that we nailed. Let's see how it is on the next video. It's going to be the Outback Bloomin' Onion sauce.